Well, also in Mumbai's GTB Nagar, there are residents that are facing a similar problem. The BMC recently issued notices to demolish their buildings, and these are homes where residents have lived since India's partition. Shivani Shukla went over and visited some of these residents who now say that the notices they received from the BMC is like a second uprooting after the partition. Take a look.
82-year-old widower Ved Prakash Lamba lives all alone at his residence in Punjabi Colony in GTB Nagar. He has been calling this modest one-bedroom flat as his home ever since he came to Mumbai from Punjab, Pakistan as a 10-year-old boy in July 1947, just 1 month before India's independence.
बचपन के तो हम इधर ही बड़े हुए, बच्चे मेरी शादी इसी घर में हुई 66 में, बच्चे मेरे 4 लड़की मेरी इसी घर में हुई.
But now, he fears that his residential building will be razed to the ground by the Mumbai civic body, the BMC. Ved Prakash lives in one of 25 old and dilapidated residential buildings in Mumbai's GTB Nagar, which houses almost 8,000 people, most of them occupied by refugees who came to India during partition.
I am 80, so where I should go? अभी मैं किधर जाऊंगा?
The BMC, however, maintains it has followed due process in calling for the demolition of these buildings. Speaking to Mirror Now, Keshav Ubale, Assistant Municipal Commissioner, said notice to carry out structural audit was issued in 2013, but no response received from residents. The residents have not been doing due maintenance of their property, leading to dilapidation. Primary responsibility of BMC is to look out for life and property of residents.
Mirror Now has accessed this report, which was written by Keshav Ubale, who is the Assistant Municipal Commissioner, to Ajoy Mehta, who is the BMC Commissioner, which clearly states right over here that there was a notice sent to the residents of Refugee Colony on 15th of May 2014 to evacuate and pull down their buildings, which were in a bad state and which could pretty much collapse at any time. But apparently the residents did not accept the notices. But when I spoke to the residents here, they say that they have received no official document or notice from the BMC. Now, as a warning step, the BMC is planning to cut water and electricity supply before they decide when to demolish the buildings. In Mumbai, this is Shivangi Shukla for Mirror Now.